So I actually thought it was fine to fly. So I flew it, and maybe 10 minutes in, security came in and told me to land the drone because it's illegal, and they called the police. So we had a long conversation with the police. I almost got into jail. So it's our 5th day here in 4th in Hong Kong. I got my Mickey Mouse logo on. Yari has the Minnie Mouse shirt. Yeah, Sheena has the Minnie Mouse shirt on. So I think it's obvious we're going to Disneyland today. So let's go! So we are at the happiest place on earth, Disneyland, Hong Kong. So trying to do the rides, and it's actually pretty crowded. Let's line up. So we just had a conversation with Hong Kong Disneyland security and Hong Kong police. I was actually flying my drone here outside of Disneyland and went into the drone went into Disneyland, and eventually they do not allow flying here. There was no sign that it was a no-fly zone. The controller of the Mavic did not warn that it is a no-fly zone, so I actually thought it was fine to fly. So I flew it, and maybe 10 minutes in, security came in and told me to land the drone because it's illegal, and they called the police. So we had a long conversation with the police. I almost got into jail. We almost got into jail, maybe, or just I almost got into jail. So yeah, I was not able to record the whole situation because I thought they would also get angry with it. So yeah, sigh of relief. They only booked me or warned me about it, so there will be no second time doing it. So yeah, I left the drone with them, but I would still be able to get it later. But yeah, we're going back inside Disneyland without the drone. Hopefully they take care of it. So yeah, we almost got into jail in Hong Kong.